What's up everyone, I'm Andrew, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create landing pages for your store or website very quickly and very easily without installing any premium plugin, without paying a penny. So let's get started. So we are going to use Elementor for this purpose, and we have this store which is created in one of our tutorials, and here we have, of course, Elementor, so we are just going to use it. You don't need anything else. You can just do whatever we are doing in a fresh installation of WordPress. You just have to make sure that you have Elementor. And also, you want to make sure that your permalinks are okay. So if you just bring setting and permalinks, you always want to use post name to get these nice URLs for your pages. So for your landing page, you want to have a nice URL. That's it. That's all the thing that you have to do. And now we can just bring pages and add new, and here we can just set the title and start building it with Elementor. So here I'm just going to call it a hot summer sale. This would be the permalink, and for the URL we do not need dashes. I just forgot. I just thought I'm just typing the permalink. So the URL slug would be hot-summer-sale, but for the URL, for the name, it's just hot summer sale, just okay. And then we want to select the template here. You can have a default template of your theme, and you then get header and footer, or probably Elementor full page, full leaf, which you again get header and footer. But here we do not want to have header and footer because they somehow distract the user. So we just want to make the user focus on the actual content. So here we can just have Elementor canvas or landing page. So if I just have landing page and publish and edit it with Elementor, you can see that we do not have any header or footer. So here we have published it, and if I just copy the URL and visit it, so it's /hot summer sale, you can see that we do not have the header and footer. This is on purpose because I do not want to get any header or footer. So you can either select landing page or just Elementor canvas, which just removes header and footer for you. There are different ways to just remove it, but just use a landing page or Elementor canvas. And then we can just build. The first thing we want to build, of course, is a link to the front page, because we want to allow users to just switch to the front page. So that's super important. So I'm just going to add a section like this, and then here we want to put a button. So let's just put it here, and we can just make the text home page, and or maybe return to home page like this. And then of course we can just style the button. Let's just make it a black and just increase the border radius like this. We can also center align it, so here people can click on it and it just brings the home page. Of course I have to put the URL there, so I can just copy it. You do not need this tab, and I can just put it in the URL section and update. So here people can click and it just brings the home page. That's super cool. And now that we have it, we can just create the whole landing page. So I want to have a full image here as the background, and it's easy to do. So I can just click on this setting, which brings the setting for the whole page, and style and body style and background type. So here we have gradient and classic. I want to use classic so that I can upload an image. So I can just upload it, and I have the image already here. So this is this surfing image. So you want to have a high quality big image for your a front page. Of course, you do not want it to be so heavy that it takes a long time to load. It's better to have an image that has quality but is rather simple, so you can just check the size, because really the details change the image size. So you want to have either a gradient or a solid background, or a simple image, something that has a relatively low size but high quality. So this is just okay. I can just put it and update. And here we can just have any content that we want. So here, let's just add another section here, and we can just put anything we want. So let's just put the heading and call it hot summer sale. That's okay. So I can just bring a style, change it into white, and also make it much larger, like this. And let's just also change the font family. Okay, this is okay. And I can also center align the text. And let's also give some padding to this section. So I can just bring advanced. And here in the advanced section, we can control the padding. I just want to use EM, which is just much better for responsive design. And here we can have some padding. Okay, so we are good. And also I want to put an image here, so let's just add it. And let's just select the image very quickly. So this is a PNG file, so we get this nice effect. And let's just give some negative padding to this image so that it just brings the text higher. So whenever you want the elements to be closer to each other than they are normally, or you want them to overlap, you can just use negative margin. So I can just select it, bring advanced, and here for the margin, I'm just going to select EM and just give it negative margin like this. So it's going to give it top margin and bottom margin, and also left and right, but I can just unchain them and just remove left and right, and only give it some negative margin for the bottom and some top, but like this. That's okay. And we have this composition, and here finally we want to have a button, a call to action button. So let's just add it. I can just put it right here and center align it and give it a black color. We want to make it much larger, of course. Let's just make the text shop now. And we want to increase the font size using EM. Like this. And also we want to have around corners, so I can increase the border radius again using EM, which is much better for responsive design. So it's okay here. And of course we can just put the link. So here we are just going to put the link for our store. So I guess it's going to be /shop. Okay, it's /shop, but you want to create a custom page, or for example, it can be a custom category page. So maybe you are having a landing page for your hats or shoes, then you can just select the category for your hat and then just use it. So for example, if I just bring t-shirts, we have this t-shirt URL, so I can just use it and just brings the t-shirts. Maybe you can have a tag for your special summer sale. So that's what you want to do. So here, let's just do it. So if I just bring WooCommerce and products and tags, I can quickly add a summer sale tag. And here's the slug. so I can just use it. Again, I just put a dash here, so that's okay. I have the tag, and now I can just bring my products, all products, and I can just use this tag. So let's just use it for this cap. I can just open it, and here for the tags I can just add summer sale for this cap, and also let's just add it for this t-shirt. And maybe these sunglasses, they're needed in the summer, so I can just select summer tag for this sunglass, and that's just a fine. And now we have the products for the summer sale. So if I just bring tags and summer sale, of course we have this log, so everything is just fine. If I just click on view, it's going to bring this summer sale, and it just says no product were found matching your selection. So that's somehow wrong. We have some products. Let's just see what's going on here. So products, all products, and we have this cap. Okay, I think I forgot to save them, so let's just do it again. And then okay, I forgot to update the products. So cap, sunglasses, and also these t-shirts. And now we should be ready to go. So here we have this free product, so I can use this URL for my campaign. That's really important. So here I can just select this button and paste the URL, update. And now if I just visit this page, so it's just / summer sale, or I think hot summer sale. So if I just visit it, you can see that we have this nice landing page and also this shop now button, which just brings the relevant categories. So if you ever wonder how stores do it, it's just like this. It's very easy to do. And also you can just check whether it's responsive for mobile devices and how it's looking. So if I just make my screen smaller, you can see that we get some problems here. It's just overlapping with the return home. So let's just fix it very quickly. So if I just bring Elementor here, we can just change it for responsive mode. So I can just bring responsive mode here. Let's just remove this history panel. And now if I just bring responsive mode, it's just fine for desktop. But for tablet and mobile, we have problems. So let's just start with mobile. Of course, the text is very large, so I can just make it smaller. So again, I select EM. And make sure that you have this mobile icon here, meaning that you are changing the style for mobiles only, and EM, and make it much smaller like this. And also we want to make the shop now button also smaller. And it's just okay, but just seems that we lost the sunglasses image. So let's just find it. And here the problem should be with the negative margin. So let's just set it into 0. So that's like this, and just use EM and just give it a sum. We should of course unchain them and now unlink them, and now we can just set the top margin and the bottom margin like this. So also we can just make this text a little larger for mobile devices. So let's just select typography and just make it a little larger like this. And we can just also check for tablet. So again, we have some problems here. So this is very large, so let's just select it and bring typography, make it a little smaller. Also, this negative margin is causing some problems. And you notice something, it's always the sunglasses is coming in front of the button, but we want to be the button be in front, and that's very easy to fix. So we can just select the sunglasses and give it a z-index of -1. So it always goes in the back. So the z-index shows how they should be stacked on top of each other. So you want to do it for all devices. So you want to always give it a z-index of -1, so you know on any device it never comes in front of the buttons or text. So that's fine. And here we want to again change the margin, the negative margin. So let's just, of course, unlink them, make all of them 0 and set them again something like this. And here we can just have the text in front of the sunglasses, so that's just good. And here we have it, so we can just update and visit our landing page. So the URL would be again hot-summer-sale. You can just use this URL anywhere. Maybe you can just email it to users or have a little banner on the front page or anywhere, and you can just take them to the landing page. And that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more WordPress content. And like always, you can reach our team from the link in the description.